This is the model, working model of the Highland Lakes at the LCRA Redbud Center. It starts off with Ladybird Lake at the bottom. There's the dam, Tom Miller Dam. Goes up to Lake Austin. There's Mansfield Dam. There's Lake Travis. Continuing Lake Travis. Then Lake Marble Falls above it. This is the shoals of Lake Travis, I guess. This is Starkey Dam and Lake Marble Falls. Then it goes up from that to Wirtz Dam and Lake LBJ. There's Wirtz Dam, Lake LBJ. More of Lake LBJ. And here is Inks Lake and Inks Dam into Lake LBJ. Inks Lake, very deep. And then the Buchanan, Lake Buchanan Dam and Buchanan, or Buchanan Dam, and then above it, Lake Buchanan, which is the top lake in the model. All the way down from Lake Buchanan to Ladybird Lake.